Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the ESnipe Mart Universal Travel Adapter. You can see from the picture what the travel adapter looks like. This has a USB output as well and has a max output of 1000 milliamperes. This particular travel adapter can be used in more than 150 countries, which is quite staggering. We have some technical specifications here. It comes with surge protection, safety shutter, power indicator lights, electrical rating of 125 volts at 60 amperes and 250 volts, both 125 and 250 volts at 60 amperes. Outlet is universal and includes a travel pouch. And over here you can see some diagrams that tells you what kind of configuration will go in which country. This is a pretty helpful thing. And some more instructions here. This travel adapter only allows changing the pins to fit in the wall socket. It does not provide power or voltage switching. Please ensure your device supports the voltage of the country you are in. This is not a transformer or voltage converter. Okay. You may charge your devices by connecting any USB cable to the USB charging port. The USB port provides a maximum of 5 volts to charge devices. Okay, so that's more or less it. Let's open this box and take a look at the adapter itself. Right off the bat, you can see that the adapter is in a cloth pouch. This is a carry bag. It's a grey colored carry bag with a travel adapter inside. So we have a document and this is the travel adapter over here. So this is, first of all, this is the carry pouch that it came in. We'll keep this over here. This is so this is an instruction manual. It comes in both English and Mandarin. So we should read it at least once. And finally, this is the travel adapter. You will see this comes with a universal adapter and surge protector, so which is great. And not just that, there are 2 USB-A ports over here. This is the button that you use to lock and unlock. Let's unlock and see. Okay, the moment I press unlock, these pins come out, and all the other pins come out as well. See this. I can lock it back again like so. Now it's locked. This can go in over here as well. Okay. There are 2 lock and unlock buttons. There's one over here. So what's happening is when I press unlock over here, these pins come out. These pins have UK and Spain written over it. Over here, the same thing happens. It has USA, Japan, Australia and Thailand written. So when I press this, you get to see these particular pins which will only work in countries like USA, Japan, Australia and Thailand. And on the other hand, you have, I'll put them back in. On the other side, you have these pins which only works in UK and other countries, probably Singapore. Let's see. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the ESnipe Mart Universal Travel Adapter. Thank you for watching.